Here's how to safely and easily retrofit an 8-foot fluorescent strip fixture with Halco ProLED double-ended bypass 8-foot LED lamps by bypassing the ballast and simply rewiring the fixture. Before performing any work on the fixture, make sure that power at the breaker has been turned off. Disconnect the incoming power wires from the power wires coming out of the ballast. Clip the ballast wires that are going to each end of the fixture close to the ballast. Take the neutral wire coming into the fixture and connect it to the wires going to one end of the fixture. Take the line voltage wire coming into the fixture and connect it to the wires running to the other end of the fixture. Now place the fixture retrofit label included with each 2-pack into the fixture in a visible location, indicating that the fixture has now been retrofitted for LED and is no longer suitable for fluorescent lamps.